This is Pamela Ambler with a look ahead at what investors are watching for next week in Asia. Several countries will be reporting Purchasing Managers Index, a leading indicator for assessing the state of the economy. On Saturday, China releases its factory PMI for the month of July. Growth in China's manufacturing likely steadied. A separate PMI report released last week that focused on smaller firms showed factory activity contracted the most in 15 months. We'll see if the slowdown is beginning to bottom out. Australia, Japan, India, and Singapore follow on Monday with each of their manufacturing figures for July. The weak currency in Australia has helped boost exports, but slumping commodity prices may have lowered production. Global and domestic demand for Indian goods has been weak. Last check, new orders came in at the lowest level since September 2014. Japan could be seeing economic growth after an expected slump in the second quarter. Initial readings showed July manufacturing expanded at the fastest pace in 5 months. And Singapore will likely emerge as the biggest winner. Activity in local manufacturing hit a 7-month high in June thanks to growth in the electronics sector. On Tuesday, South Korea releases its consumer inflation data. The Bank of Korea aims to keep inflation within a 2.5% to 3.5% range, but subdued domestic demand and commodity prices have kept headline figures well below the target. Also on Tuesday, the Reserve Bank of India holds its policy meeting. The central bank's expected to keep rates unchanged at 7.25% to balance out inflationary pressures. Midweek, investors will get a look into China's services sector. Activity in June slowed to a 5-month low, suggesting the economy still needs further policy support.